Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologues channel. Today we will be seeing the flavorful Masala Laccha Paratha. Laccha literally means rings, so this will be a layered paratha. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain and crush it within the palms to release the aroma. And add this to the dough. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and make a well in the center of the dough. To this well add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now mix the dough so that the ghee coats all of the flour. It starts to make crumbs. Add water little by little and start forming the dough. When the dough starts coming together, add half teaspoon of oil and knead it again. Finally, make a ball of dough and coat it with half teaspoon of ghee and cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for half an hour. For the masala, assemble 1 teaspoon of onion seeds or kalonji, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds or til, crush 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi within the palms and add to the mix. Finally dice 1 green chilli. You can add 3 to 4 as per the spice level you enjoy. Now add this chopped chilli to the mix. You can also add half teaspoon of red chilli flakes instead. Finally chop 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and add to the masala. Also finely chopped coriander leaves and some mint leaves and add to the mix. Season it with some salt. Now mix thoroughly so that all the masalas are evenly distributed. Now to make the slurry for the layers, take 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour to it and mix such that there are no lumps, like this. Now let us handle the dough which is rested for half an hour. Portion of the dough into 5 balls of 1 inch diameter each. Now take 1 dough ball and roll it out into a thin large roti. The roti has to be thin so that the layers also come out thin. Now put 1 teaspoon of slurry onto the rolled roti and spread it properly with the brush such that it gets evenly coated. Now add the masala and spread it throughout the roti and put some more coriander leaves on top. Sprinkle with some flour so that the slurry and the masala will stick and press gently with the hand. Now with a knife or a pizza cutter, leaving 1 inch on top, cut out thin longitudinal strips of 1 centimeter each. Now roll the strips into a single roll as shown in the video and gather up the layers giving a slight twist. Now make a spiral of these layered strips and press the edges at the bottom so that they do not separate while cooking. Now roll this ball on a butter paper so that it does not stick to your rolling platforms. Apply some flour to the butter paper and start rolling out the paratha. Do not press too much as you are rolling, otherwise the layers will merge together. Roll out a paratha of 4 to 5 inches in diameter like this. Now place the paratha on a hot pan and start cooking it. When one side puffs up, flip it and cook the other side. Apply ghee on one side and spread it with the brush such that it gets evenly coated. Cook one side and then flip it and cook the other side. Grease it from the other side also and allow it to be golden brown. When the paratha is being cooked, you will be able to enjoy the aromas of kasuri methi, coriander and pudina being cooked in butter. Let me tell you, they're absolutely mouth-watering. When the paratha is crusty and golden brown on both sides, plate it. When the paratha is done, crush it slightly at the edges so that the layers will come out. Add some salted butter on top and enjoy it with any gravy, or it can be enjoyed as a standalone dish with any tangy chutney or jam of your choice. Let us take a recap. The ingredients for the Masala Laccha Paratha are displayed here. A complete list of written, downloadable and printable instructions are given in our blog. Do check out our blog for other interesting and delicious recipes. A link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, do share it with friends and family and give the video a like. Do drop in a comment how you found this recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.